Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Toyota RAV4 versus Suzuki Across. Follow along as I guide you through handling, fuel economy, cargo space, safety features, and cost of ownership so you can decide which model suits your lifestyle and budget. I'll highlight strengths and trade-offs in clear terms and point out which trims shine in city driving, family trips, and long-term value. Stay tuned for straightforward comparisons and tips. Let's look at performance and efficiency in friendly detail. I'll compare standard engines, hybrid systems, acceleration, and real-world fuel numbers so you know what to expect day to day. We'll discuss how the Across's plug-in setup changes commuting costs, and where the RAV4 conventional or hybrid options deliver stronger towing or mid-range punch. I'll point out which choice fits city commuting, highway cruising, or mixed driving best. If you're enjoying this comparison, please subscribe and like to support the channel and get more automotive deep dives. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tight and fit neatly in the RAV4 or Across cargo area so your snacks don't tip on trips. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we'll cover interior space, safety technology, and ownership realities with a warm conversational tone. I'll compare passenger comfort, cargo flexibility, and family-friendly features so you can picture real trips and errands. We'll review safety assists, crash protection, and driver aids that matter for daily peace of mind. Finally, I'll outline expected maintenance, warranty coverage, and resale tendencies to help you forecast total cost of ownership over time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.